Hi, Tracy Lewis from Stuff and Things. I have a card I'm working on for the June color combo blog hop, and I am using items in the new catalog, and I have one item that I picked to use for this project because it's a kit that I love and I don't often use it as much as I would like, so I got it out. I took it to my mom's for the weekend and we spent a wonderful couple of days making cards together. So this is a kit called Lots of Happy Card Kit, and the reason why I love it is you get to color with it. I have recently bought, through the pre-order, the many marvelous markers in all of the new colors. The color challenge is Rich Razzleberry, Petal Pink, and Crumb Cake. So what I knew that this kit used crumb cake. So this is one of their die cut card pieces with the round circles. So this was like the start of my inspiration. I chose with the Lots of Happy the floral piece, and I colored it with Petal Pink and made the centers Rich Razzleberry, and then I went in with Crumb Cake to do a little bit of a shadowed background for more depth. So this is the focal element. I chose to use the linen thread for the ribbon to be the tying of the flowers together in a bouquet. And then for the background, just to be different, I took a piece of Crumb Cake and I did half of a emboss with the pine wood plank. Then I added a Rich Razzleberry. So I've got my pieces here, and I plan on putting it together either offset like that or offset above, leaving room for a sentiment here. So I believe I want to have it offset to make room for a sentiment down below, and the sentiment will be on, you know, something on Whisper White, probably stamped in Rich Razzleberry. And then the last item, these are new, they went live today, and it is called the it's a delightful detailed faceted dots. It goes with a kit, a suite, and actually it doesn't have the name of it on here. So I will, when I process the video, I will actually type in the name of it. And of course on my website for every video I do keep the supplies list, and this will be on there. So here's all of the really dark Rich Razzleberry faceted gems, and I will, after I put it together, I will add a few of these faceted gems and call this card complete. I might wait on the sentiment because I'm not sure what I want the card to be for. I am thinking of using it as an anniversary card for my sister-in-law, but I am not sure. So I will put it all together and then decide what I will use it for. And there is the finished card for the Color Combo Blog Hop for June. Thanks for watching.